West, his Super Bowl commercial. Let me tell you something about that, right? He didn't have no expensive camera equipment. He used his phone to record it. All he did was say, "Go and buy my Yeezys." The commercial cost him $7 million. And so far he has generated $19 million. But check this out. You know what he did? He took advantage of the moment. As marketers, we have to learn how to take advantage of these moments. And that's exactly what he did. He didn't have any expensive camera equipment or anything like that. And Gary Vee has been talking about this for a long time, for years. Do you remember when the lights went out a few years back at the Super Bowl? And Oreos took advantage of the moment with that commercial? And the commercial was a hit? That's the exact thing what Kanye West done. He took advantage of the moment. So you gotta keep it simple and be yourself.